Okay, so now I'm continuing the programming of a shell script to monitor the quality of the Wi-Fi signal. So anyway, here I have a procedure. By the way, the name will change eventually. It's a finite state automaton, so it keeps track. So when we are entering, okay, here I'm gonna, instead of at the beginning of I'm gonna say entering. So 1 2 3 4, I have 4 words to change. So C, change, 4, W, change 4 words, and now I type entering, escape, Now if we have that, if we have a new connection, we quit. But first of all, we shall not call this if we don't have a connection, okay, first of all. So where do I call this? So if I search for this FSM0, okay, so when I get the link quality value, maybe so here, why would I call it here? There's no reason to call it there. So I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm gonna go at the beginning of the line and I'm gonna replace the first character with the how do you call that? A sharp character. A dièse in French. But it's a sharp character. So I'm not calling this. Now if I go into the function get ESSED, here we are searching for the ESSED, of course, and if we have a connection, then I'm gonna get the link quality value, and I'm gonna get the frequency. And in the get, okay, here I would like to see, I'm gonna put a marker here called mark A, MA, and I'm gonna search for get link quality value. There you are. And here, if I have a solid connection here, okay, I'm gonna update this and update that. So I'm gonna update this here in the link quality value, and if it changes whatever, I'm gonna generate a bar. Maybe, okay, maybe it's not the right way to structure that, but anyway, we'll see that. So if I go back, look, let's mark that as B, and let's go back to A. So get this, get frequency, okay? Okay, and now if I search for FSM0, so I do not need to call that, whoops, sorry, I do not need to call it here, just to see. This is very, whoops, sorry, sorry, what have I done? What the fuck have I done here? I don't know. What have I done here? I don't know, man. What have I fucking done here? I don't know. Right. I hope I haven't made a big mistake. So here, let's see that. So it's not too bad for now. Okay? Not too bad for now. So now I'm gonna stop the script. Ending the script with control break. And now what I'm gonna do, first of all, I want to check here something. I'm gonna remove the trace first, trace file, and here I'm gonna do a IF config WLAN 0. Here I want to know how much bytes I have received and transmitted. Okay, this is good. Here, this is a good thing to do. Well, first of all, okay. Now, I want to have the number of bytes received and transmitted. Okay, and do we have something like that here. Huh? If I go back into my script and I search for ifconfig, nothing there. Well, you know what? I'm gonna write a new function, yeah, and just to know how much bytes were received and transmitted, okay? But here we don't care if we have a connection or not, because this is a cumulative value since the machine or interface was up or something like that. So it can be connected or not, but the value will stay there. Okay, so I want to know how much bytes. So I'm gonna use the ifconfig command for now, and I'm just gonna, okay, how am I gonna do that? So here I'm gonna just write, okay, I'm gonna just make it a little bit smaller because I like it when I see my whole lines. And here, let's see, I quit and I re-enter after I see a clear screen. I say VIWW. Okay, now I want to know how much bytes. So I'm going to go at the end of the script. I'm going to move up, move up, move up. And here, that's going to be before or after? Yeah, before. And here is this, like the function declaration, you know. So get the frequency. Oh yeah, that's a good thing. Get the frequency. Okay. Now here, open. So here, get. What do you want, man? What do you want? Come on, come on. Sorry. C'est pas le temps là. Qu'est-ce qu'il veut savoir lui là? Je suis pas là, man. I ain't there now. Je réponds pas, okay? I will not answer him. If he calls back, I'm not there. I ain't there right now. Right now I ain't there. Because I don't want to drive. I don't want to drive at the moment, you know? I'm not there. I'm not there at the moment, okay? So that's it. Okay, after this interruption, what do? Well, okay, so as I was saying, I want to do here a new function. It's going to be called get. Transmit received. Get received and transmitted bytes. That's it. So how are we gonna do that? We're gonna do that. Okay, here we don't care in that case if we are connected or not. We really don't care. We really don't care if we are connected or not. So all we care about is the following. We want to do the following command. I'm going to do something like ipconfig, the name of the interface, and I'm going to do a pipe grep tx. Okay? Or received. It would be nice not to know exactly the number, but just because I could get exactly the value if I want, but I could just get this information because here's something is interesting because we see the number of packets, errors, drop, overrun. I'm not sure about that in frame, and also for the TX the same thing would be great. So we could say grep this and that. So can I do this like sorry, like that? RX, and can I also do this, man? There's a way with a grep to say 2 words. How? Man grep moins a pattern. Okay, so let's try that. So in principle, if I do that, you see here, I received and transmitted. So this is great. If I just get this information, because it gives more than just the size, the number of bytes, it gives information about the number of packets. And this is an information that perhaps I want to have now. Maybe. But of course, if I really want to have the number of bytes, I can do this, and then after grep bytes, okay, and after that I could say, bytes. After that I could say cut. The delimiter is space, space, and the field is 2, for example. No, 3, 4. Wow. No, better than that. With the semicolon like that. Great. Okay, now field 1. Wow. Field 2. So this is it. Okay. So anyway, I could get the number of bytes only, but for now, I'm gonna just get information about the like this. Just something like that. Just get information about the transmitted, and that's it. That's all. Okay, that's it. So here, if I go like that, and if I go here, so I'm saying that, I'm gonna say get receive and transmitted info. Change word info, information. So okay, good. Now here. Happened to the end of the line. Hey, it's hot. My computer is so freaking hot. It must be emptying the battery a lot. Yes, it is. So anyway, now if I say here get this, and I say ifconfig, the variable is interface, and now I pipe that in the grep -e received -e transmitted pipe grep. That's it. No, that's it. That's all I want. That's all I want for now. So I just want to have this information, okay, and the output. Okay, I'm gonna put that into a new variables, which is going to be called open. Well. Wait, we're going to call that rx tx enfo. Well, it cannot be the same name. Well, it can be, because it's not a get. So it's going to be equal to the output of that. So I go at the end, I put the wow, oh, happened, and voila. So this is wonderful. So I have rxt info. Now, just for fun, I'm gonna initialize that to rx tx enfo. Let's initialize it to an empty string first. And now in the display info, this is the routine that is called. Okay, that could be or that could not be an interface, but right now I want to display every time, all the time. I want to display even if they are no. Yes, let's do that. So echo echo now rx tx enfo, and voila. Oh yeah, and okay, we will not for the moment put something here, but wait a second. In link, and voila. Okay, let's do this. And voila. Okay. Right. Let's go there. And let's do this now. Hey, j'ai soif. Moi je m'excuse là, mais non, je pouvais pas présentement. I could not, man. I couldn't. Okay, good. I couldn't do that because I'm very thirsty. I need some water. Yeah, I need to get some water. Never mind. So now I have that. Great. Now what I'm gonna do is the following. Okay, let's do this. So we see we do not have a connection. So this is why he's not saying anything about the number of bytes and everything. There's no connection here. So just for fun, let me have a connection right now. If I do this, don't think it will work, but we don't care. Okay, I don't have connection now. I could make a connection with my iPhone right here. Can I do that? Can I do that? Do you think I can do that? And being in airplane mode? I don't think so. I don't think so. So, I don't wanna create. No. I'm okay. I'm gonna just stop here for now. Yes. Stop it.